Hola, bienvenidos a la clase de español. Hoy es el 16 o el 17 de septiembre. One activity that we reviewed last class is looking at el mapa hispanohablante, and you can see un país hispanohablante. I would like you to, for attendance, be able to check in with a Spanish-speaking country and practice the pronunciation that I provided last class. So you would just simply respond when I call your name with Mexico, Guatemala, Cuba, República Dominicana. Okay, so just one country and the pronunciation. Again, here are the countries that I provided. They are in Spanish in that you can see accents on them. Not all countries are the same. In the United States here, it's Estados Unidos, E-E-U-U. Dominican Republic in inglés, República Dominicana en español. El mapa. ¿Cómo se pronuncia? How do you pronounce? ¿Cómo se pronuncia Mexico en español? The answer is Mexico. So here's a question you might have for me in class today or tomorrow is how do you pronounce? ¿Cómo se pronuncia United States en español? ¿Cómo se pronuncia Cuba en español? It's not how do you write it, it's how do you pronounce. The tarea from last class was the map, labeling that map. You were provided with the blank map and the labeled map, and I want you to label the map. The questions that you created in Schoology that surround more about me and my class, I will also be responding to in class today. Here is the alphabet song, La Canción del Alfabeto. We will be listening to this song. I want you to, if you're not in class today, listen to this song dos veces, and then I want you to sing along as you're hearing the song, because you need to become more familiar with the letters and the vowels in Spanish. You might have already remembered that from last year or last time, but we need to practice that review. Los vocales, the vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Why do I sign these? Because if I say E, you're going to think of the letter E in English, like E for elephant. But when I say E, this looks like the letter I, and it is. If I say E, you are getting the letter E in English. So I practice it this way. A, E, I, O, U. Repítame. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Muy bien. The vowels are critical because without understanding how to say them or how to spell something, I will spell it for you, but in Spanish. I'm going to give you a few examples in class. ¿Quién es? Who is this person? ¿Quién es? ¿Quién? Who is? ¿Quién es? Un ejemplo. O, P, A, M, A. Lo repito. I'll repeat it. O, B, A, M, A. Un momento para pensar. Obama. Muy bien. ¿Quién es? J, O, N, E, S. J, O, N, E, S. Jones, señora Jones. ¿Quién es? And I'm going to spell just a few random names of students. O, S, C, A, R. O, S, C, Oscar. Muy bien. Sofia. Sofia. Sofía. Y el último, Maria. Maria. María. Muy bien. Again, how do you know these letters and vowels? You practice them with this canción del alfabeto, the alphabet song. Here are your materials right in here. And you can get those through my slides for today. Okay, ¿cómo se escribe? How do you write your name? How do you spell your name? So this is your first assessment. You're going to do this in Flipgrid. ¿Cómo se escribe tu nombre? So I meet you and you tell me your name, but I want to know, how do I write your name? Well, in meeting you, I'm a Spanish speaker and you are going to speak to me in my language. So you're going to see, here are the 3 access codes. I also have this for you in Schoology. Periodo 1, period 1, periodo 3 is period 3, periodo 4, period 4. In tarea, evaluación, your homework is this evaluation, this assessment. You're going to see within here are the links to Flipgrid. So you're going to go in here. You're going to get to this link and you're going to see my example of an assessment, my instructions. Okay, in here are the instructions and the link to this Flipgrid. You're going to be assessed on how well do you pronounce these letters. 7-8, clear pronunciation, very easy to comprehend. 5-6, a few errors, but these do not hinder communication, meaning I can still understand what you're saying. This red line is there because there are errors in communication with your pronunciation that hinder. It doesn't allow me fully to understand each letter. And then numbers, or level 1, 2, there are many errors with pronunciation and this hinders communication. Now, the beautiful thing about Flipgrid is that you can practice, 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 and when you like your video, you can submit this. Again, my office hours are Monday, Wednesday from 12:45 to 1:15. You could pop in at any time and practice before you submit the Flipgrid, okay? So just know that I am here for you with your first assessment. Good luck. Muy bien. Hasta luego.